I'm Amanda Coulter, and I'm a groundskeeper at Bemidji State University.
And I'm Clyde St. I'm also a groundskeeper here. Well, Travis Barnes came down one day when we were working out here and said the students would like to have a place to stand underneath the arch to take pictures, and that's how it got started. And he requested us all to make a plan up and have him the landscaper of the bunch, so I took the ball and I ran with it and I did the design. Well, the trees are hydrangea trees. They're on the hydrangea plant put on a standard stock. And the grasses in the middle are feather reed grass, or Carl Forster is the variety of them. And around the outside we have daylilies. And they're happy returns and they'll be yellow. Reason I put the daylilies around the outside, we do a lot of salting on the sidewalks, and daylilies are fairly tough and tolerant to that. That's why I use those. And they're perennials, they'll come back. We had annual flowers in here, and there was a lot of maintenance on the annual flowers. And the grasses in the middle are perennial also, they'll come back each year. And the hydrangeas will have a lime green flower to them that'll stay on year round. In the winter, obviously, they'll turn brown, but they'll still have some winter interest to them. And in spring of the year, we trim them off, and then they'll re-leaf out again and do the process over.
We're planning on taking the sides and building retaining walls and putting more perennial plants in those.